guys! Welcome back again to our channel. So, today's video, I came from groceries guys. So, ng groceries na naman tayo ulit. My weekly food. So, I'll show you guys. Hi guys! Ito yung galing na naman ako ng Robinsons. Namili na naman tayo guys ng ating mga pagkain. So, ayan na. Open na natin ito. Sobrang taas ng ating camera guys. Alright. Sakit yung tiyan ko. Sakit yung tiyan ko, guys. So, ngayon tayo. Tayong Hansel, guys. And then, bumili tayo ng onions. I have onions. Bumili tayo ng onions, guys. Sobrang init sa labas. Mabuti wala ng typhoon today. And then, bumili ako ng cooking oil. Wala doon yung isang klase. Ito yung nakuha kong Minola. Ayan. Para siyang, ano guys. Para siyang tulog. Iwan. Tulog. Bumili ako ng tissues, guys. Tissue. And then, bumili ako ng, iwan ko ba ito? Bumili ako ng, ayan, sunrocks. And then, cotton buds. Bumili ako ng cotton buds. Excuse me! Andito na naman siya, guys. Baka matumba mo yung tripod ko. Down. And then, I have to buy this milk bar brand. Bumili tayo guys ng, ayan, waffles, cheese and coconut cream and wafer. I got 2. And then, I have again Nutella. And then, I bought again this biscuits guys. Wala na tayo doon. Bumili ako nito guys, pa-sachet lang. Vinegar. I have this Nissin cup noodles. Pag mag-ulan-ulan ito. Ayan, seafoods. Ito is cup noodles seafoods. Ito is, what is this? Sotanghon. And ito is seafoods din na cheesy. Iba-ibang flavor. I got 3. And I have Nor Cubes chicken. Kasi may lumuto ay tawag guys. And then, meron tayong chicken. Chicken drumstick. I have my chicken drumstick, guys. Chicken drumstick. Half kilos lang, guys, bili ko. And then, meron siyang chicken wings. Chicken wings and drumstick, guys. So, ito. So, mag-adobo tayo. And then, meron pa tayo isang plastic, guys. Pasok muna natin dito kasi ang kalat. Andito kasi ako sa taas ng ano guys, washing machine na kalagay. Pasok muna natin dyan. Ang bigat-bigat kaya kanina. Ang chicken ito guys. So ito yung isang plastic natin. Ito yung plastic. Selen! Come down! And then, have some bread. Bumili ako ng gardenia. And then, I got my sugar. Sugar, 1/2 lang siya guys for my milk. I'll put a little bit. And meron tayong Yakult. And then Yakult. Yakult. Masakit yung tiyan ko guys. Masakit yung tiyan natin. Ito kasi makulets. And then, meron tayong egg sana. Hindi, ano ito guys is, no! You want something? This one is salt, iodine salt. Bumili ako ng egg guys, nauntog ito sana hindi nabasa. I bought eggs darling. I bought eggs, guys. Yay! Hindi nabasag. So, I have my eggs, guys. Ayan, meron tayong egg. Kasi lagi ako nakakalimutan sa tuwing nag-grocery. What?
You should have thought of chicken. You should have thought of chicken.
Chicken, yes, I buy chicken.
You thought a real chicken lay your eggs.
Yeah, I have chicken and I have eggs. So, I bought this one because the last time the
chicken. Real chicken.
Yes.
Lay eggs for you. Lay eggs for you.
Ang grocery na naman tayo, guys, is gumamit ako ng card ko, guys. Libo naman ito, guys, yung grocery natin. Kahit ganyan lang. So, ito lang yung vlog natin for today. Whole ng mga groceries is, ay, ito lagi ko kasi nakakalimutan yung egg. So, I bought it now. So, meron na tayong egg. So, for now is, magkukok tayo ng chicken and then rice. And then, we eat our lunch here. So, thank you so much. And don't forget to like and subscribe. My nosy husband. Say hi, bye-bye muna. Bye! You're wet again. Where did you go? See? Bye! 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 Bye na, bye! 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 Sina, bye! 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 He's shy? 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 Bye! Bye! So why sell them? To drink this Yakult. Oh my God, darling, what are you doing? Yakult. You're done. I like this, guys, for the stomach. Then, I cook my lunch. Yan. Ito lang yung, tingnan nyo yun, guys. Ito yung OOTD natin. Charan! OOTD for today. Ayan, ganyan na tayo, guys, ng bukas. Naka-shorts. Say bye-bye to them, darling. Say bye-bye to them because I'm gonna start to cook rice na and food for lunch. Grabe ang init sa labas, guys. Terrible. I bring my umbrella also. It's really, really warm. For today's weather is good now because it's weeks. Grabe talaga yung ulan. So thanks God, there is no typhoon now. Carinas is out in the Philippines already. And we are a good weather now, but it's terrible. It's warm. It's killing you outside. It's really warm. So, ito lang yung vlog natin for today, guys. Haul tayo ng ating mga binili. So, thank you so much. So, I start to cook now, guys. Alright, see you our next vlog, guys. Bye. Oh my God, what are you doing? You're getting me crazy, darling. You're getting me crazy. Alright, guys. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in my next vlog.